hopefully. Um, Tonight, I don't know if Brad will be. Well, I think Brad will be here. He might be a little bit late. He's got some workers that were supposed to come to his house, so we'll see how that plays out. But the link is pinned in the on the chat. For me, it's down at the bottom. I don't know if yours is at the bottom or if it's at the top, but it's there. So if you want to click the link and come on in, you're more than welcome. Couple things, just make sure that you have the camera on, so if we don't know who you are, we can learn and keep it going from there. That's what I sell my quartz for, Chris. $30. I don't, and you know, there's different schools of thought on that. Brad has a kind of, it gets cheaper as you get bigger sizes.